Reggae singer Fantan Mojah dies at 49 after heart-related complications. Jamaican reggae singer Fantan Mojah has died at age 49, just weeks before his 50th birthday. The Rastafarian entertainer, whose given name was Owen Lennox Moncrief, passed away on Tuesday evening at the University Hospital of the West Indies, UHWI, in Kingston after suffering complications related to his heart. A close associate of the singer told Observer Online that Fantan Mojah's health had deteriorated rapidly in the days leading up to his death. Born on August 5, 1976, in Whitehill, St. Elizabeth, Fantan Mojah became known for his conscious reggae music, spiritual lyrics and strong connection to the Rastafari movement. Before gaining recognition as a recording artist, he worked with a traveling sound system, where he performed during sound checks to develop his craft. He initially adopted the stage name Mad Killer, inspired by dancehall veteran Bounty Killer, one of his favorite artists. After embracing the Rastafari movement, his music shifted toward more uplifting themes, and he was encouraged by veteran reggae singer Capleton to adopt the name Fantan Mojah. Fantan Mojah emerged as part of a new generation of reggae singers known for promoting positive messages through their music. His songs often reflected his Bobo Ashanti faith, with themes centered on praise for Jah, Rastafari teachings, respect for women and criticism of social issues and immoral behavior.